I've mentioned it before and I'll probably mention it again, but it's very important to pay attention to mature size of plants. This is a desert spoon, and sorry for the handheldness, I'm about to run down the walkway. This is a desert spoon and they get big. It's big and it's beautiful, and there's the walkway. And a big and a beautiful and exuberant plant. And these are getting a little too much water. That's why the tips are brown. That's excessive water for a desert plant. But here's these big, beautiful, exuberant plants. And then here's one that is planted in the wrong place. They're too big and they're too beautiful and they're too exuberant and they're too close to the walkway. So what they had to do is prune them into these little pineapple-y shapes, which sort of defeats the purpose. And I hate to see the poor plant not really having enough leaves to nurture itself. And then that trunk being exposed like that, it's just going to get sunburned. So do take into account the mature size. This is just a perfect example of where not to plant a Dasylirion, a desert spoon. It needs space.